Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time. A lot of things have happened again. For one, we're back in Alaska, so that's new. Anyway, a lot of things this past couple weeks. It was a nice welcome back to Alaska with back-to-back windstorms. We had all kinds of roof damage, had to get that fixed. Power went out more times than I can count. Ended up getting a inverter generator, and we bought one of these Champion 6500 watt ones. Works good, gives off clean power, so it's safe to use with electronics, you know, the computers and stuff. That's our mess of extension cords we had to run everywhere. We did end up hiring an electrician who is currently installing a transfer switch. So yeah, that'll be a lot easier come any future power outages. Of course, now that we're having that done, we probably won't get any. But they should be back today to finish up the rest of that. They started yesterday. It's about 9 o'clock. As you can see out the window there, it's still pretty dark here. All right, it's a little bit chilly out here. I don't know what the temperature is right now, but let's go take a look at what work they did yesterday. Well, they made some progress, so they will come and finish this up today, hopefully, and we won't have to worry about running extension cords inside. Beautiful day today. Alright, well, let's run over to the dump, get rid of this crap that I've got in the back of the vehicle. And man, is it cold out there. It's got to be 0 or below. Anyway, we'll take you along for the ride. Minus 12. And it was cold. A little bit colder than I thought it was. Alright, beautiful day at the dump. I mean, that is just gorgeous. Not many dumps look like this. Some people have wondered why we came back to Alaska. And there's just something about it that gets in your soul. I mean, it's just the beauty. You know, I know that it's not for everybody, for sure. You know, a lot of people can't deal with the cold, can't deal with the shorter days in the winter. For me, the summer definitely makes up for it, but it can be hard. It can be rough life, you know. Definitely brutal on the body sometimes, and but, you know, really, this makes it all worthwhile.